When typing Arabic on a keyboard, you don't have to worry about whether your letter has a beginning shape, initial shape, middle shape, or final shape, because the keyboard will actually make the changes for you. So if I have the letter ha, for example, right? This is how it's written when it's isolated. I'm going to hit space. I'll go to the next line. And now I want to write a word, an imaginary word that has this letter in beginning, middle, and final position. So in fact, what I want to write is ha plus ha plus ha. And the result is this. Watch. So all I do is type the first ha, and it looks like it's in isolated shape, right? Because it is isolated. It doesn't have any letter before or after it. If I type the same letter again, look what happens. The first one changes automatically to the initial shape of this letter. And then the second one is now in final position, so it takes the final shape. If I write another ha, that second letter will no longer be in final position, it will be in middle position, and it will automatically change to the middle position shape. Watch. Look at that. So now you have all three shapes of the letter ha: isolated, initial shape, middle shape, and final shape. How cool is that? Don't tell your students this until they learn how to write letters. Otherwise, they'll be cheating all the time. No, actually, it's a really good exercise while you are learning. But if you're doing a test, it's better to make sure they're not using their phone, because it's too easy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, follow me, follow the channel, and come to my paid and free lessons. Never Google my name. Never Google my name. Never Google my name. Bye for now. Assalamu alaikum.